Hello, welcome. On a hot summer day, all you need is a glass of cold, refreshing mango lassi. Mango lassi is a blend of plain yogurt, sweet ripened mangoes, and sugar. That's all it is. Let's make mango lassi today. For mango lassi, you need some ripened mangoes, sugar, plain yogurt, and ice cubes. The list of ingredients, as usual, is at the end of the video, so stay tuned. You will need a blender. Add the mangoes and the sugar in the blender and blend them for a few seconds. After that, add the yogurt and the ice cubes. Blend it again. So to increase the amount of the lassi and to make it thinner, I added 2 cups of water in it. And then I blended it again. Mango lassi is ready. Let's serve it and enjoy it. You can add some more ice cubes. I'm garnishing it with pomegranate seeds because I like the crunchiness, the juiciness, and the sweetness of pomegranate seeds. I hope you have liked today's video. As you can see, this recipe is really easy. If you don't have fresh ripe mangoes, you can always use tin mangoes or mango puree that is easily available from the market. I'll see you next time. Stay safe and God bless you. Meanwhile, let me enjoy my refreshing mango lassi.